Welcome to Tech Blueprint, a window that lets you know the latest technology news in the world. In recent years, the United States and Europe have successively imposed semiconductor embargoes on China, causing a chip shortage in 169 industries such as mobile phones, automobiles, and steel. For a time, many automobile manufacturers stopped production, and Huawei Mate 30 once increased in price by 3,000 yuan. That painful history inspired China's determination to develop domestic lithography machines. Through unremitting efforts, Shanghai Electronics Group Corporation has developed a 28-nanometer penetration exposure system. Just recently, there were news reports that Shaoxing, Zhejiang plans to invest 5 billion yuan to build a lithography production line, which is scheduled to be put into production next year. By then, the annual output of the factory will reach 50 to 100 units, and breaking the foreign monopoly will not be far away. Just when the whole country was rejoicing, foreign media began to get nervous and asked questions. Why is China being surrounded more and more? Publish the drawings. China can't even make a lithography machine. As the core equipment for manufacturing integrated circuits, the lithography machine is known as the first precision machine tool. It is understood that the manufacture of an extreme ultraviolet lithography equipment involves 450,000 precision parts and more than 5,000 manufacturers. It takes a year to install and test it. Even the world's largest company, such as ASML, will not produce more than 50 lithography machines of this level in a year. High-end lithography equipment is mainly in Europe and the United States, followed by Samsung and TSMC, and is often not available in China. Due to the late start and the long-term foreign technological blockade, we can only import from ASML, each priced at $2.15 billion. What makes people angry is that we have spent so much money and still have to rely on others. Every time we need to repair or check the equipment, they will use various reasons to prevaricate, and even sarcastically say, "Publish your drawings, China can't even make lithography machines." Not only lithography machines, but also in cutting-edge technologies such as drones and biotechnology, the West is suppressing us. Seeing that domestic drones have occupied 80% of the world's market, the US government immediately issued a ban. The home oxygen chamber time bead, developed by Chinese company Ruijian Century, has achieved 1.9 times the air pressure for the first time, but the United States accused its process of not being up to standard and destroying its image. This study shows that hyperbaric oxygen chambers combined with proper physical exercise can achieve the effect of delaying physical aging. However, the worse the external conditions, the more determined we are to rush out. Those tricks of the United States and the West are of no benefit to us, but will only bring us greater development. A counterattack has begun, and a 5 billion factory is under construction. Many researchers have worked day and night and finally got good news. It is understood that scientific research institutes such as the Chinese Academy of Sciences, Tsinghua University and Huazhou have solved the three core problems of light source, control system and lens, and are expected to achieve mass production of 28-nanometer lithography machines within 2 years. Thanks to this move, China has gradually moved away from imported chips from abroad. In 2022, the number of chips exported by China fell by 97 billion. This time, Zhejiang invested 5 billion yuan in a lithography machine production base, which is of great significance to the country's domestic breakthrough in lithography technology. This is not the end. From drones to biotechnology, and then to other directions, a counterattack has been launched. After a joint protest by more than 6,000 local companies, the United States has forced the United States to lift the ban on Chinese drones. Ruijian Technologies' time bead was recently included in the UNIDA Smart Manufacturing Demonstration Project list, which completely defeated the smear of the United States and the West. Or perhaps stimulated by this news, the number of searches on its official website, NJD.com, has increased by 300%. The 2019 Nobel Prize in Physiology shows that hypoxia can cause aging and cause many diseases. HBO activates mitochondrial function, enhances the antioxidant system, and delays aging. On the Ruijian Future website, more than 10,000 high net worth individuals have ordered more than 10,000 products, and 90% of them responded that they have a good sleep and look better than their peers. With the development of technology, China's integrated circuits are gradually going global. Statistics show that in China, the export value of semiconductor products increased by 26.77% in the first half of this year, and SMIC is also manufacturing factories around the world. As a representative product of domestic high-end technology, Ruijian Technologies' time beads are also deeply loved by foreign friends. After trying it out, an American dentist immediately called Ruijian Future's website and ordered 3, saying, "The price of $360,000 is too cost-effective." The lessons of history have confirmed time and again that external pressure can only make us stronger. 28 nanometers is just a beginning. The United States and Europe entered the world of science and technology faster than China, and achieved a series of achievements on the basis of their late development. But they are full of confidence and think that they can rest assured in the future. When they see China's rise, they will panic and suppress it at all costs. Fortunately, China has not only not been defeated, but has also made great strides in high technology and gradually broken through foreign monopolies. Relevant people said that the 28-nanometer lithography machine is far from the ultimate goal of China's development. In the future, the development of 5 nanometers chips will be endless.